welcome to video 3, STEAM, an activity guide to staying connected while school is out. I'm Brianna Queen Bee Myers, and I work for Youth Empowerment Siskiyou, and we're excited to offer this resource to you. If you do not have a copy of the packet yet, please visit yesiskiyou.org. Once again, yesiskiyou.org, and you can find it under resources. So today for video 3, we're going to be going through our art projects. Very excited to be into art, always a little messy, always a little bit fun. So the materials that we're going to need today, we're going to need some cooking oil, vegetable or canola is fine. We're going to need our our food coloring. Glitter, if you have it, it's optional, it's not mandatory. We need a clear glass bottle with about 2/3 full of water and a lid on that bottle, and we need an empty plastic water bottle. We need a permanent marker. That's really important. I know permanent isn't our favorite, but I know you guys will be super careful not drawing anything else, but the permanent marker makes sure that the color stays on the bottle. And finally, we'll need a pair of scissors. So those are the things that we're going to need today. For our first project, we're going to make an ocean sensory bottle. So we're going to get our bottle with water that's 2/3 full, our food coloring, our oil, and our glitter if you have it. I love glitter. I always have it around the house. So we're going to open up our jar of water. We're going to decide what color we want our water to turn. I'm going to do green today. I like how the green looks. I think it's really pretty, but you can use any color. So you only need a couple of drops. All right, I put 2 in there. You could put 3. Just depends on how dark you want it. And then put your lid back on your food coloring. We can put our food coloring away for now. We don't need that anymore. We're going to put the lid back on our jar, make sure it's nice and tight and sealed, and we're going to give it a good shake, okay? We're mixing up all of that food coloring into the water. So here's this beautiful green color that mine's going to be today. Next, once we're all done mixing that water up, giving it a good shake, we're going to open our jar back up and we're going to get our bottle of oil. What we're going to do is we're going to top off our water with oil. So we're going to fill the rest of our jar so we're nice and full. You can see the water and oil don't mix, so it makes some fun bubbles and things. All right, and it's moving around like an ocean. So we've added our oil, and this is where if you have glitter or want to add the glitter, you can add that as well. You're going to need quite a bit to make the illusion. So here's my glitter. I'm going to tap it all in here. Make sure it's good and sparkly. Okay, so I've got my water with the food coloring. I've got my oil, it's beginning to settle, and then I've got my glitter on the top. I'm going to seal my jar or my bottle so it's nice and tight. I'm going to give it a good hard shake. Wow, and you can see as it settles, all the glitters going round and round, and the bubbles and the settling. So these are really neat just to look at, to play with, shake when you're frustrated. Kind of fun to watch as everything settles and moves around in the bottle. So that's how we make our ocean sensory bottle. We hope that you enjoy this project, and we hope that you have fun with it. Our next project, we're going to do recycled water bottle art. And that's a good thing to do. So this is where we're going to need our water bottle, our permanent marker, and our pair of scissors. So the fun thing with this project is it's a coloring project. And you can just color all over your bottle. You can use different colors. You can use zigzag lines. The most important thing is that you cover the entire bottle with color. I'm not going to color all of mine because I actually have an example to show you of what the final project is. But once you're all done coloring your entire bottle, color, 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 lots of color. You can do multiple colors. It'll be great. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the lid of the bottle. We're going to ask a guardian to help us with this part. So guardians, we're going to take our scissors. We're going to kind of squish it down because we're going to cut off this round bottom part, just the bottom part of the ring. Cut that all the way off, and then we're going to make a small simple cut up, and then we're just going to start cutting around at an upward angle, going all the way around, all the way around. Remember to keep that angle going upward so you don't actually cut the whole water bottle apart. Okay, And so then your end product ends up something like this. Some may be shorter, some may be smaller. I found a big rubber band on mine so that I can hang mine outside and it can blow in the wind. We colored ours all blue, but it's a really neat piece of artwork, and several of these blowing in the wind in your front yard will be pretty neat. So that's all we have for today's art projects, but we hope to see you in video 4 for our mathematics games, and our video 5 will be our live